Hello kids, welcome to KiddosTV. Today we are going to learn numbers. We will be tracing from 1 to 20 with different colors. Let us get started. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 Thank you kids for tracing all these numbers with me. I hope you liked it. Do like and subscribe to this channel. Bye bye.